Hello students, welcome to Inspire EDUCARE. In this video, we are going to start our next chapter called Conditional Statements in C. What is a conditional statement? Conditional statements in C are used to make decisions based on the conditions. Conditional statements execute sequentially when there is no condition around the statements. If you put some conditions for a block of statements, the execution flow may change based on the result evaluated by the condition. This process is called decision making in C. In C programming, conditional statements are possible with the help of the following two constructs: if statements and if-else statements. It is also called branching, as a program decides which statement to execute based on the result of evaluated condition. In this video, you will learn how to use if statements. If statement. It is one of the most powerful statements. If statement is responsible for modifying the flow of execution of a program. If statement is always used with a condition. The condition is evaluated first before executing any statement inside the body. The syntax of if statement is as follows. The condition evaluates to either true or false. True is always a non-zero value and false is a value that contains 0. Instructions can be a single instruction or a code block enclosed in curly braces. The following program illustrates the use of if construct in C programming. Let's see this program more carefully. First, we are including the standard IO header file in the program. This allows the program to communicate with the user. Next, we open the body of main. Main is the function that runs by default, and the data type for this function is integer. We are declaring two variables here, number 1 and number 2. Number 1 is given the value 1 and number 2 is given the value 2. Then we have a test condition that if number 1 is smaller than number 2, then print the statement below. As we know, number 1 is 1 and number 2 is 2. Therefore, number 1 is smaller than number 2. So the condition satisfies, which means it returns a true number. Therefore, the instruction inside the body of if statement will run. Therefore, when we run this program, we will get the correct output. That is how if statements works in C. In the next video, we will learn about if-else statement and nested if statements. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.